All right, let's dive into Ranipettai Engineering College. It's located in the Ranipet district, and for all you students and parents gearing up for counseling, the TNEA Code to remember is 1511.
Okay, so right off the bat, let's talk about the essentials. This college has been around since 1999. It's affiliated to Anna University, Chennai, a name you know and trust, and crucially, it's got the AICTE approval for the 2025-26 academic year. You know, for parents, these are the non-negotiables, right? The big 3 check marks you're looking for.
First up, let's get into the college profile. A little bit about its foundation and identity.
So, where did it all start? Well, the story begins back in 1994 with the founding of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Educational Trust. And then, just 5 years later, in '99, this trust established Ranipettai Engineering College. So you can see it was a planned journey, built on the foundation of the trust's educational mission. All right, let's get the key details down. The full name is, of course, Ranipettai Engineering College. It's a self-financing college, which is important to know. It's co-educational, so open to both boys and girls. And location-wise, you'll find it in Walajah, right in the Ranipet district. Pretty straightforward.
Okay, let's get to the heart of it. The academic programs. What are your engineering options here?
So, what's the intake like? Every year, the college has a total of 300 seats available for Bachelor of Engineering programs. This gives you a really good idea of the size of the freshman class.
Now, let's see how those 300 seats are distributed. For Mechanical Engineering, or ME, there are 90 seats. Next, both Electrical and Electronics, that's EE, and Electronics and Communication, EC, each have 60 seats. And finally, rounding things out, Computer Science, CS, and Civil Engineering, CE, each have an intake of 45.
Now, this is absolutely crucial for your admission strategy. How do you get in? It's all through the TNEA counseling process, and the seat split is the standard one for self-financing colleges. 65% of the seats fall under the government quota, and the other 35% are for the management quota.
Okay, let's shift gears now and talk about campus life and student support. You know, the facilities and the financial aid available.
Now, for students coming from out of town, this is a big one. And yes, the college has on-campus hostel facilities. There are separate hostels available for boys and for girls, and the mess serves both veg and non-veg food, so there are options for everyone.
What about getting to and from the campus? Well, connectivity seems pretty sorted out. The college has its own transport services running to and from places like Vellore, Chennai, and Kapadi. And if you're taking the train, the nearest railway station is Walajah Road, which is only about 6 kilometers away. Let's talk about financial aid, which is a huge factor for many families. The good news is there are several government scholarships that students here can apply for. We're talking about the SC/ST Tuition Fee Scholarship, the scholarship for BC, MBC, and DNC students, the very popular First Graduate Scholarship, the Post-Matric Scholarship for OBC students, and also the Central Minority Scholarship. So definitely look into these based on your eligibility.
All right, and now for the section that's probably on everyone's mind, placements. What happens after the 4 years? What are their career prospects?
So, what can you expect when it comes to career outcomes?
The highest package that's been reported by the college is 41 lakhs per annum.
Okay, but a big number like that needs context, right? So this 41 LPA figure was the highest package offered to the 2019-20 graduating batch. And this information comes directly from the college's own report. It's always good to know the specific year because that helps you understand the data properly.
Just so you know where we get our information, everything we've talked about today is based on data from the college's official website and various government portals at the time we put this together.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.